Hello everybody, namaste. So I'm going to tell you about one of my course, which is Web Programming Basic. And let's get started. So my name is Ujjwal Gimire, and I just want to present my photo. So this is me working in my office. So today's focus, three things. The first thing is about how IT is front end, starting from HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. And the next thing is about the programming. So in one layer, it's about C programming, JS, and PHP, while other kind of segment is about the Git, OOP, and MySQL. So third thing is some of the project that I have created using all of those things. So all kind of real life projects, namely like here I have a flashcard to show, institute system, ILT system, and a CMS of a website created using PHP and MySQL no framework of a website called Kguide. So let's see inside. Okay, so something about me before we dive in. I was interested in coding since my childhood. It used to embark me a lot into lots of steps. When I like first got my primary lessons on programming when I was 9 and 10, it was interesting. So later on, like I had a business which got broke, eventually became English teacher. Yet like coding interest always like get along with me, and I used it on my professional career to make things done. So for the front end, like I used to teach HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and the sources would be, of course, Khan Academy and Bootstrap. Also, like you can download many website templates available, and then analyze those things with AI. So these are pretty good tools. And coding versus standards. So with the coding, like C, PHP, JS, I'm using all of those solving math problems, learning about arrays, string functions. Of course, the loop would be there. And after that, in the second segment, the programming is more carried in terms of object-oriented standards. Of course, getting master with even simple public protected private was kind of weird thing. Next things come to the Git. So when we put our remote files from our desktop computer to the online system, and also bring those back with the pull. And another concept is about MySQL database, where like we create database, we create table, and then insert some data, update it, maybe like delete it, and there are like when fetching data joins. For me, like I had to use a lot of interloops between table data. So probably I'll tell those things in a moment. And using those like creating in the real life kind of thing. Number one thing was the card game. So like card play cards has 52 cards, and then like 1 to 52, creating every photo with the file name 1.jpg, 2.jpg, and with a random number with the PHP function. So if we bring maybe like 40.jpg 40 file, and that 40 would be used as like variable 40.jpg that will be fetched, and in next kind of click, so that 40 should not come. So that was stored in a variable, and then I created like another kind of selections. So this is the program. Next thing is institute management system. So I had a consultancy, like I used my skills to store all of those data into the computer system. So more thing was about turning all the components of real life system to thinking them as a table, and then putting all those data inside database and again pulling that back. So that was like more kind of summary of everywhere. So this is screen where like I could put all of those data inside the database. If you wanna like check it, so you can click on this one, and then like everything is available. You can play around this data. So another potential work that I did was for the IELTS writing, where this is the student can log in and then like send their work, and that work would come to my admin kind of place to check, and I could like give them feedback. So last is travel website, and this is a kind of full screenshot of the page. This is how I taught my programming basic. So if you want to get into more, so my website is yourujjalpath.com. So thank you.